Hey guys, it's Sandra from Sandaroo Kids, and today we are playing level 3 of the brand new game, ROO. I'm having so much fun playing this game, and let's see where we left off. I don't totally remember. Oh yeah, the egg hunt. It was extra cool. I wonder if the third level will be even harder though. All right, we've got a ton of ROO points, 1 ruby, and a power-up. I think we're ready. I can't wait to see where Ruby Roo is going next.
All right, I'm here. I'm ready for level 3. Well, wait. Wherever here is, it's all dark and spooky and glowy. What's that, Ruby? You're right. This must be Glow Zone. What? New challenge. Find 3 glowflies. Well, what's a glowfly?
Glowflies? What's that? I can't wait to find out.
I guess we better start searching. Don't worry, Ruby. I'll be careful. This is so difficult because I don't even know what I'm looking for. What was that? That must have been a glowfly. That must be what I'm looking for. There it is. Oh. New challenge. Catch the red glowfly for 10 ROO points. I can do that.
Whoa, a rock wall? Ooh, this might be hard.
Come on, Ruby. You can do this.
Yes, we got our first glowfly. Just 2 more to go.
We did it! Ruby, did you see that? We did it! Now we just need to find the... Quick, before it gets away! What's that, Ruby? A new challenge? Collect the blue glowfly for 20 ROO points? I can do that. That's easy. Ruby Roo can do anything, right?
New challenge, catch the blue glowfly for 20 ROO points. Ooh, come on, Ruby, you can do this.
Here I go! I've never been a ninja before.
Oh, this looks really hard. I don't think I could do this in real life. Come on, Ruby. Come on, you can do it. Whoa, that was tough, but we did it! Yes!
We did it! We collected another glowfly. That means we're just 1 away from a ruby! Okay, where'd that pesky little third one go? What's that, Ruby? It went that way? What would I do without my ruby? On my Whoa! The green glowfly! There it is! Wow! Ruby, what's that? A new challenge? Reflect the lasers for 20 ROO points? I'm not sure what that means, but it sounds easy enough. The green glowfly, where's it going? Oh, it's going in here. Whoa! What is this place?
Ooh, a laser room. I wonder if that's gonna be difficult. Oh, new challenge.
What's that, Ruby? Oh, relax, would ya? I totally got this. The glowfly is just right over there. Oh no! My health bar!
Oh no, we'll never get our last glowfly like this, and we need to find a way to beat those lasers, but how do we beat those lasers? Oh wait, we can use Ruby's inventory. We have all those ROO points. I'm sure we can buy something. Let's see, ooh, what will work? gotta pick quick. Okay, that won't work. Nope, nope, nope. A mirror. Okay, this is perfect because you can use a mirror to reflect lasers back.
Whoa, a mirror? Of course! A mirror to reflect the lasers. Why didn't I think of that? We collected all 3 glowflies. Nice work. Look! Wow, wow, wow. Check it out. It's another ruby. And this one's glow in the dark too. That'll certainly come in handy. Did it!
Wow, we did it. What a level 2. I can't wait to find out where Ruby is going to go next. Make sure to join us next time and subscribe for some more.